Let's try to solve another problem from GATE, and this is from 2025. This is 1 marks question and it is a MCQ, and the question says that multiple effect evaporator is commonly used in a zero liquid discharge scheme for either oxidation of organic pollutants के लिए, precipitation of heavy metals के लिए, and concentrating reverse osmosis reject salts and performing selective ion exchange. Okay, so in this zero liquid discharge, a multi-effect, you can say a multi-effect evaporator is used, mainly used to concentrate the brine and reject water. To concentrate the brine and to reject water from reverse osmosis unit. It means it helps reduce liquid waste and recover maximum water. And this multiple effect evaporator uses multiple stages to effectively evaporate water, leaving behind the concentrated salt, okay, for further treatment or disposal. So it means it rejects salt. Take in another explanation, you can simply say that in zero liquid discharge, what is happening, if the brine or rejects from the RO unit still contains high concentration of the dissolved salt, and this multiple effect evaporator is used to concentrate this reject stream, reducing water content and crystallizing this salt. Okay, and then you can say ki, the main role of MEE are not oxidation, precipitation and ion exchange. Okay, so the correct answer should be option number C. It is not doing this one and not responsible for precipitation, and it is not performing any selective ion exchange. It means it is concentrating reverse osmosis किस चीज़ के लिए, to reject salt. So correct answer is option number C.